Hi, it's been a while, and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hi, my name is Isef. I'm a content creator, an entrepreneur, a fashion business owner, a marketing director. I'm a coach, I'm a business coach, and I teach people how to make money and invest money online. If this is what you're looking for, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, and subscribe to see more videos like this. So let's get started.
If you're a return subscriber, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Take this from a 26-year-old living alone, independent, and I've been independent, totally free from my parents, my siblings, my families since 19 years old. Yes, I've been fending for myself since 19. I paid my tuition, my rent, myself, everything since I've been out since 19, and I can tell you that it has not been an easy journey. As the first child, especially on this part of the world, yeah, expected to grow up fast because of our economy always going down the drain. Anyways, I digress. That's not what I am here for. I'm telling you a little backstory so that you can set your mind on track on how to be independent, how to gain your independence in your 20s. I remember when I first told my boyfriend that I pay my tuition myself. He was like, are you serious? He did not believe me. See, today I don't know if he believed me, but anyways, he was so shocked that I was so young and doing all these things myself, doing one business or another. I started my first business when I was in JS3. I have always known that I was going to sell something. I was going to be a business person. I loved selling. So if you are looking to gain your independence, the first thing I'm going to tell you is to set your mind on track and believe that one day you're going to get the independence you're looking for. But most importantly, your mind has to be on track. I don't know how to say this well. You have to set your mind to it. You have to channel your mind. Everything you consume has to be gaining independence, gaining the right way though, gaining independence the right way. So I started my business when I was in JS3. From there, I started selling from my mommy's shop. From there, when I was doing my diploma, I was doing one pretty business or another. When I got to uni too, I was doing one thing or another. So I've always learned or inclined to learn how money works, how to gain independence, right? So firstly, get your mind on track and believe that you will get that independence soon, but don't rush. If you still need to stay with your parents, by all means stay. If you still need to learn one or two things before you move, please do that. So the second point would be picking up a skill. Let me tell you, you cannot gain independence by just your mouth. You have to learn how to do something, whether it's to learn how to sell, learn how to market, learn how to video edit, learn how to manage social media platforms. Just pick up a skill. It must not even be a digital skill. It might be soft skill, or what do they call it? Hand skill, right? Do you want to be a nail tech, an hairstylist, a shoemaker? Right, so just the point is have a skill. So have a skill, sharpen that skill and learn it very well. Make sure that you are good at this thing. Make sure you build expertise. The next thing will be looking for the audience to serve. It's not enough that you know something or you have a skill. You need to learn how to sell that skill. So it's not enough to know how to cook. If you want to make money from cooking, you have to learn the business of cooking. You have to learn the business of selling food, right? So the difference between Lia Emeka on your street and Idabasi's restaurant is that their level of skill is different. That's number one thing. And secondly is their business mastery is different. They know how to, Idabasi know how to sell better than Lia Emeka on your street. So look for your audience, learn the business of selling, right? And anything you do is going to turn out very, very well. Number 3, as you are gaining independence and you are making money from your skill, quickly learn how money works, because I can assure you that the first money you make on your journey to independence, you are going to squander that money. It happened to me. You are going to spend that money. That is why I'm including in this video that you should learn how money works quickly. Before you make your first 1 million or first 100k, learn how 10,000 naira works. Learn how to keep 2,000 naira from 10,000 naira, how to invest 2k into upskill and all of that. Because if you don't know how to keep money, how to manage money, how to spend money, there's no way you can improve your craft. There's no way you can gain the independence you even want, right? So you need to learn how to make money. You need to learn how to manage money fast, very fast. Number 4, on your way to independence, invest in relationships. Why? Because people will, how will I say this now? People are just important. They used to say that your net worth is equivalent to the people you know, right? It is very true. Last year I decided to take up salsa classes. It is not just because of that dance. It is because of the quality of people I'm going to be meeting. I've met a lot of people in farming, people in tech, people in business, people in this and that has really helped me, whether giving advice, helping me with one job or gig, even patronizing my business. So invest in relationships, invest in communities, invest in reading books. Now, coming from someone that is advising you to invest in reading books, I really don't know how to read books, but I listen to a lot of podcasts. I make sure that my YouTube is channeled to learning more about something. Just keep learning. Just keep learning about something. Keep learning about something. There are audio books now that you can listen to on maybe Spotify or Amazon. So if you cannot read like me, because I don't know how to read, it's just the truth. But I've read a lot of books, a lot of physical books that I can recommend. Maybe I'll do that in another video. But if you're like me and you're lazy, I won't say lazy, but you find it difficult to read, invest in audiobooks, right? So yeah, on your journey to independence, you're going to fail. You're going to try a lot of things that is not going to work out, but that should not make you give up. As you are seeing me now, I've sold more than 10 businesses. In fact, if I start to count, I did a video on the things that I've sold. If you check my shorts, you are going to see it is more than 10, right? Just don't see it as failure. Fine, it is human to fail, but will you stay there and say, I failed, I'm not going to pick up myself up? No, you are going to pick up yourself and keep going, because in all those failures you are going to learn one thing that you are going to use in your next business or skill that is going to make you better till you are really successful, right? So fail and learn from it, stand up and move on. So this is all I have for you in this video, and I hope you really found it helpful. If you want more tips or you really enjoyed this, just give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.